All right, folks, we are trying out another PicoCTF challenge. This one is web exploitation. Let's see. I think this was the first one. Into the burp. That sounds funny to me, so let's go with that. Additional details available after you launch. Okay, launch it. Get some hints. Try using Burp Suite to intercept requests to capture the flag. What the heck is that? Try mangling the requests. Maybe their server-side code doesn't handle malform requests very well. Try here to find the flag. Oh, brother. Okay, let's look at some elements and code, and there's a CSRF token. That's interesting. Okay, so there's stuff here. This is a hidden input. If I don't hide it, it'll be right there. Burp Suite. I have no idea what the heck that is. What is Burp Suite? Okay, Burp Suite. Proprietary software for security assessment and penetration testing. Okay. Proxy, like other web applications, one of the primary functions is to act as a proxy server for client-side HTTP requests. Penetration testers can intercept web servers' default request variables in real time and edit those values on the fly. Oh, do I need to install it on my actual machine? Oh, I hate having to like download stuff on my actual computer. But sure. Community edition. Oh, I see. So you're going to use this browser instead of the one I normally use, because that's how you intercept. Okay, that's fair enough. That seems easy enough. The request is held here so that you can study it and even modify it before forwarding it to the target server. Okay, what is this? Welcome to Burp Suite. Use the options below. Okay, so I just want to use a temporary project. I can't click on anything else because I have the community edition, so it's basically free. All right, so it looks like this is what we're working with here. Okay, so let's see what it says here. So it says we want to go to proxy intercept tab. Okay, proxy intercept tab. Okay, perfect. Select the intercept toggle to intercept is on. Okay, so intercept on and forward. Okay. Intercept is on, and we want to forward. Okay, this is the browser that they have. It's called Port Swigger. Okay, very nice. And I want to go to. Okay, so that's what I want. All right. Perfect. Okay, so I think it's intercepted maybe. Ah, there we go. It intercepted it, and we have a live connection. So it hasn't quite done anything yet. Let me see. Okay, open browser, the launches Burp browser, yeah. Okay, intercept the request. Okay, go to there. Observe that the site doesn't load, right? Because it's hanging basically. Burp proxy intercepted the request, and that was issued to your browser. Oh, that means the request I'm sending. Okay. You can see the intercept request. Okay, great. The request is held here so you can study it and even modify it. Okay, interesting. So I haven't even hit them yet. Okay, so I have information here. This is the host. I have a server. I have a user agent. I have things that don't really seem like it's that big a deal to me. So there's hex. I don't know how to do that. Okay, that's intense. But I could like change the port maybe. I'm just gonna mess with the port real quick. Okay, let's say 100 port. Right? Like what's the worst that can happen? Okay, so how do I let it keep going forward? Oh wait, does that work? Oh, here we go. Okay, so let me try going again. Okay, good. Oh look, cookie session. Ooh, that's interesting. I can mess with the cookie session, I guess. Hold on. This actually means something, right? Oh, what is this? I can decode it. Maybe I should try filling this in, right? Right? Isn't it the whole point? Like I think this is what I need to mangle, not the first thing, but the second. So blah blah. Now it's hanging because here we are. Okay, so this is what we're hanging on to. Bunch of stuff, but the main thing is this CSRF token, right? It has. Ooh, interesting. What if we, instead of register, is like something else? Maybe we can log in. Oh, it's still hanging? Wait a sec. What happened? It looks like it came back. Dashboard? Wait a second. There's a dashboard? Yeah, go ahead. Give me a dashboard. Interesting. Okay, so I mangled the request. It didn't know what to do, and it like what do you call it? So it redirected me to the dashboard. And now that I'm at the dashboard, I can enter whatever here. 1, 2, 3. Submit. That's gonna get caught. And this is what we OTP is this. What if I don't send anything? Does that do anything? Hanging? What? Stop that. Okay, sorry. Submit again. Okay, I think that actually screwed it up. So that's fine. Origin is this. We're going to the... Oh, we're sending a post request. Sending a post request to the dashboard. What if we send a GET request to the dashboard? Is that a thing? Like what? Sure, whatever. GET request does not work to the dashboard. Okay. Let's try that again. 3, whatever. Doesn't really matter. Keep connection alive, yeah. Let's see, maybe there's something else I can mess with here. So cache content length is 8. Oh, that's this. These are 8 characters. That's what that means. What if I mess with that and say it's 10? What happens then, huh? What are you gonna do? Invalid OTP. We just mess this up and say blah blah blah. Or we can say and equals 5. That's still content length 5, right? Sure, whatever. Oh crap. What? Welcome, blah. You successfully bypassed the OTP request. Your flag is this. How did I bypass that though? I will accept it, but how the hell did that happen? Submit flag. Okay, that's awesome. Okay, but like launch the instance. Okay, I kind of want to like look more into that because I don't know exactly what happened there. Instead of going to submit equals register, I'm just going to make it something else. I'm going to redirect to the dashboard, which I finally have access to. So I now know of the dashboard endpoint. I didn't know about it before. Then we're told about this 2-factor authentication. Enter an OTP. I say blah blah whatever. Submit. The submit comes here. Content length does matter. And if I don't submit an OTP, it's checking for the OTP. But if it's not there, it's just like, oh, we're not even gonna check. There's nothing to check. Just pass this person through. Is that the idea? I can say blah, and it just accepts that. That was a good one. I actually had no idea what I was doing. Learned something about, well, this like burp thing, which is kind of cool. I can intercept, my own requests. So that's kind of cool. Yeah. All right. Well, that's pretty awesome. I now have some hacker software on my computer, so that's pretty cool. All right, folks. If this is the kind of content you enjoy, please make sure to like, subscribe, do all the good things, and I will catch you next time.